Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is time for us to pack up and head back home. Gonna eat some breakfast and then just get checked out. Last time we're gonna be able to see the hotel. We're leaving. Going back home.
So sad.
Again.
I don't want to go.
Yep, so gonna stop at Walmart one last time here and then hit the road. Don't ask why. Just don't ask why. Last time being at Buc-ee's.
Sad.
For a while.
For now.
So now we're gonna hit the road and just truck it all the way there. Quick stop to McDonald's. Yeah. Gotta stay fueled up for when we get back on the road. So we're gonna be looking at about 6 hours and 38 minutes. So we're gonna truck it all the way back. We got it though. We got it. So let's hit it. We are back at home. Got done returning the rental car. The paperwork right here. I'm dropping my jacket. How do you feel that we're back at home? Sad. Well, so now just gonna unpack all the stuff that we got, get everything organized and situated, and then at this point we might just chill. I might go out and get some gas again because I just need to start filling up my car before we go on trips like these. But I need to get some gas, so I'm gonna get some gas, and then we're probably gonna find something we're gonna eat for dinner.
You know what you can eat for dinner? I'll tell you what you can eat for dinner. You know what you can eat for dinner? That's what you can eat for dinner.
Right, so we're gonna figure out what we're gonna eat for dinner and then just go from there. Alrighty, so decided that I'm gonna go bowling to see my dad, you know, since he's gonna be here at his league. So I'm gonna be bowling with him. She is going to be going back to her mom's house to see her mother and everything. So I get to show you guys the ball that I got. So hopefully you guys like the ball. I do, but I know you guys might that are into the bowling scene. You might like it, you might not. I think it's not a bad ball, but we'll see how it performs. Alright, I'm back from the bowling alley, of course. I threw a couple of shots. They weren't my best shots. I mean, so don't judge the ball, judge my throwing. You know, my first time using thumb sleds, so I usually never use them, but I try to use them now because of the fact that like the ball is still weird and it kept cuffing my fingers, or my thumb in this case. But I showed you a couple of shots with those. I'm about to go on ahead and just head back home in this case. Okay, all right, back at home, and
I do my toenails.
She's about to give herself a pedicure. I'm about to get settled in for the night and possibly catch up on all the stuff that I need to catch up on. Mostly editing all these videos. It's gonna be mainly one of them. Well, overall, today was a pretty, I would say, up and down day. It was up because we made it home safely, but it was down because we had to go.
Yeah, let's come back. It's always sad coming back home after vacation.
Yeah.
Especially from a place that you really like.
So we're gonna just go ahead and get settled in. I'm gonna make me something to eat. But other than that, thank you guys for watching the video. I really appreciate it. Give a like, comment, and subscribe. Helps me out, helps her out as well. And we will catch you guys on the next trip. Until then, see you later.